Hi, this is Sean. And if you see that little glowing thing in the darkness there, that is actually my RC car in the curtain blackened toy room. So we're going to see if we can get some, careful, good footage here. So give me 1 second and we'll see what we can do here. I'm going to take it to the waterfront tomorrow. Be a lot more fun there, especially if I set the tripod up. Here we go, reverse. Yeah, 1 minute. Like the headlights. It'd be nice for... Oh, well, it'd help if you could see it, couldn't you? 1 minute. There. That's better. Here we go. Oh, come forward. Come on. Oh, that's good. It's kind of fun seeing the car in a darkened hallway. It's kind of neat. All right, rotate. Rather sensitive. Here we go. Oops. It's kind of fun. Nighttime RC car tests. It has glowing underlights. I never noticed that before. There we go. Let's try this. I'm back. Whoops. Adjust the camera again. There we go. I have another 9-volt battery. I checked the instructions. That's what goes in it. All right, here we go. Oh, it's going away from us. All right, this way. Wonder if the battery's going out. 1 second. I think I was right. The remote has a range limit. Or I just had to push the levers enough for it to work. Whoops. This is fun. All right, turn around again. All right, here we go. Back up. Here we go. There you go. Where is it? Oh, there it is. By the constructs box. Come out. Almost. There we go. Okay, come on. All right, I think that's enough for the RC car right now in the dark. So I'll end the video here, and we'll call that RC car in the dark. And I'll pick this up tomorrow at the Pembroke Waterfront, because this car is good enough to go along the trail without messing anything up. So, I mean, its tires are big enough it can go along the trail and not get destroyed. So, talk to you later, and hope you enjoyed this video.